I am Ritvika from UKG. My school name is St. Philomena's Group of Institution in Shantipura.
Great Indian leaders.
Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B.R. Ambedkar, Morarji Desai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gokala Krishna Gokhale, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Lala Lajpati Rai, S.R. Radhakrishnan, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Mother Teresa, Narendra Modi.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Upanishads.
Tendukya Upanishad, Ishvara Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Tata Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitreya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Ruvadaranyaka Upanishad.
Dashavatara Lord Vishnu.
Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
18 Puranas.
Name: Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavisha Purana, Kurma Purana, Garuda Purana, Varaha Purana, Agni Purana, Vamana Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Brahma Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Narada Purana, Brahma Vaivadya Purana, Padma Purana.
Epic of India.
Ramayana Mahabharata.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighbor states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.